What's up, everybody? Dr. Z here, and welcome back to Marble World. And so today we'll be checking out some workshop creations because now the workshop is compatible, and we will be checking out a creation. This is called Black Hole. I forget the user's name, and also I slapped a sign that says hi up there. Let's see. Who created this? Alright, so the person who created this one is called PizzaCat1732. We'll also be checking out Marble City by Shadows, Z instead of S, and then Robo June, and, two O's instead. But not checked this out yet. So let's see. Oh, let me make sure we have our same controls. We do not. Alright, so I guess we'll just do this individually because, yeah, because my controls have broken. Yay! So we'll just queue these up. Alright, 3, 2, 1, releasing them all. Alright, let's check this out. This looks like it's gonna be, ooh, look at that bend. Look at that bend. And listen to all those sounds. They sound so amazing. Wait, oh yeah, that's right, my millions of bullets for my rifle. Uh-oh. And we're just gonna speed up time because these conveyor belts are ridiculously slow. And wait till somebody gets to the top and start slowing down time. Here we go, here comes the first marbles. Into the black hole they go. That's really cool. And they just continue right from where they started. Alright, so there is one sad thing about Marble World, and that is you just can't go from world to world. You have to actually individually load it. But there is now a new feature. So let's hit the menu button. You have your uploading something to Marble World. You have your world that you have saved. And you can load a world. So let's go in here and let's check out Marble Madness. Yeah, let's check out Marble Madness. As you can see, we have 610 things to load in. And I checked out this course. It is massive. Massive. So, step 1. Make sure all the gates are open. Open. And open. And go. So, there's marbles that immediately spawn up here. And they'll head up here and go their split ways. And some of them will go there, some of them will go this way. But all of them eventually meet back up at this Plinko board, basically. Where they will then funnel into here and go back up from where they came from. So, it's taking a little slow, so we're just gonna, yep. And slow it down. Alright, they are hitting their objectives. So why don't we follow this way? And they're gonna go down the Plinko board. You know what? Pause time. Why don't we follow this brave soldier? We'll name it this one, and it's gonna become Rainbow with the flame effect. And we're gonna use the new camera mode. It did not come out in this update, but in a recent update it came out. Also, in an upcoming update, there should hopefully, unless it already came, there should hopefully be checkpoints, finish lines from the marbles. Um, that'd be great. Fall off the course, go right back to where they came from. Well, sort of. So we're just following this guy right here, the rainbow with a flame. On a mission. Into the pipe. Whoa, that was fast. We're gonna slow down time and watch as these three marbles collide and boom. And it's so fast you can't even keep up with the camera. Set it back to around normal. Oh, hello, boosters. And right back to the start. Alright, so that's all I got for this one. So, okay. Why don't we check out Marble City by, RoboJune and Shadows. Oh my gosh. 5,552 objects to load in. That's a lot. And by the way, I do have my rifle, the world that the rifle's in, also the funnel that goes with the rifle, on the workshop. So if you want to check it out, it's there. If you have Marvel World, if you don't, if you do end up getting it, it is on there. I called it rifle. And oh goodness, what? Should have known something like this would be here, but my goodness, is this a lot of taking? Where is the spawners even at? Ugh. No, I'm getting out of there. Where do we spawn? I just hit the start button. Well, sort of. I have the marble spawned in. Is that them down there? No, that's boosters. That's the anti-gravity. Where did they even start? It's just so big you cannot find them. Oh, that is cool. That you're using the sort of new gravity effect to basically make tractor beams. Let me find where our marbles start. Down here? No. Where are the marbles? Seriously, people, is there stuff outside the map? I would not be surprised if there is secretive stuff out here. Different tracks they used. Oh, that's smart. That's smart. Wait, use. Oh, wait. What is this? Where'd you use that? So, I gotta find where these stinking marbles are at. Like, what the heck? I want to follow a marble, but they're just nowhere in sight. Alright, I guess we'll just... hit play and look around till we see a marble. Nothing going on there. What's this? Oh, that's cool. Do they use that anywhere? I'd like to find the marbles. Oh, there they are. Alright, we're gonna need to queue up all the gates here. I've got that ready. Excuse me 1 second. Sorry about this, but I need to really quick open gates, open gates, open all gates. Close gates, open gates. Oh, okay. Open. It's closed. The gates. Open. Let's follow this one. Bullet. Let's follow bullet. Following this orange one right here. Don't know how to zoom in on the marbles, but there's our orange one there. I sort of went in a loop. Oh, we're heading to the funnel. We're finally going towards the funnel. Hey, there's the funnel. A massive funnel. This orange guy right here. Following him. Yeah, let's make it easier to tell. Following the only rainbow one. Actually, you should all know by now, rainbow is the one that I always select. So we'll just add some flames to it. Ooh, we got trapped. Oh, yo, what? That's cool. Don't get caught in it. Come on. Yes! Didn't get caught. Okay. Okay. We're slow. Oh, we're back. This is massive and detailed. I gotta top this. I gotta build something better. I'm just joking. Ooh, we're going on the waterfall. Waterfall, everybody, waterfall. Ooh, back on the road. Ooh, up the funnel. Slight epilepsy warning, just in case. Don't need. Oh my gosh! Slow that down. I wished I could see this. We're gonna just follow this the better way. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about the invisible potentiability. Potentiability, yeah. I do not know how to speak right now. All right, let's see. Can we find the rainbow with flame one? There it is. There's our little guy. And pause. Okay. Let's just take a look at this. Notice how much of the stinking map is being covered. Let's see. Nope. Gotta stop. Uh-oh. This is big. Cancel it! Unpause. Uh-oh. It's really cool, but it's really big. It's too big. But, that's where I'm gonna end the video. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And the game crashed, so I'll see you next time.